I'm ready to put some fluid in it. We have to change the pinion yoke on it because 2 bolts got stripped off. So I'm waiting on him to see what he want to do with that. But as far as the trans and the converter and everything else we had going on, we got that in order. The band was burnt up and the drum was warped that the band goes on. So that's what happened to the truck. That's why we had to change the transmission. Go out the transmission lines. We're gonna get it down. We're gonna try to get some test pads going soon. But I'll show y'all the back end. That's what we got going. We put the fluid in and crank it up.